Hey Daz Studio enthusiasts, this is Not From This World, and welcome back to my tutorial series. Now, I don't usually make a challenge video on Friday, but I have been working with the Daz Dog, and I'm having some trouble with it, and I thought, hey, let's just put this out into the community and see what you all have to say about this. My problem is moving the dog. So if I select my dog and I begin to move him around, adjust him, he changes position and he'll get like completely warped as I move him around. And so what I have to do is if I want to rotate him, move him, spin him around, you can see how he's becoming distorted. So then I have to go back up to the original pose and double click it, and then he goes back to normal. I'm just wondering, why does this happen? I also noticed, not that I use this character very much anymore, but I noticed that this exact phenomenon occurs if I use a Victoria 4 character in my current Daz 4.24. So why are some characters completely morphing and becoming very oddly posed as we move them around? And the more you move them, the worse it gets. Look at that. See how he's becoming all distorted. Why is this happening? If you have any idea as to why this happens, let me know. Okay, well, the holidays are coming to an end. We just have New Year's left. So I hope you're having a wonderful week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and give me a comment or two. Love to hear from you. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Happy rendering.